Hi everyone. In this video, I want to cover how to add a wireless takeover module to your PROA7PLUS panel. Before you begin the installation, please confirm that you have an AlarmNet 360 account associated with the PROA7PLUS. The installation kit comes with a replacement wall mount with an integrated antenna, the wireless takeover module, and the retention screws. The following tools will help with this installation: a standard Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a jeweler's screwdriver. Go to where the PROA7PLUS is mounted and prepare the panel for removal by disarming the system. Remove the retaining screw at the bottom of the panel. Remove the panel by lifting outwards from the bottom. Now, turn the panel over and disconnect the battery. You can set the panel aside while you work on the mounting plate. Return to the location of the panel mounting plate. Disconnect the terminal block by gently pressing down on the bottom lip below the terminal block, then releasing. Remove the screws holding the mounting plate. Remove the original mounting plate and install the new mounting plate with the integrated antenna. Next, reinstall the terminal block. It should snap into place. Now, we will configure and install the wireless takeover module. At the panel, remove the right side cover. On the wireless module, use a jeweler's screwdriver to rotate the arrow to the wireless sensor type that is used in this location. In this example, we selected 5800 series wireless. Insert the module into the slot on the right side of the control panel as shown here. Secure the module using the supplied retaining screw. Reinstall the side cover, being careful to avoid bending the contacts on the module. Reconnect the battery. Next, reinstall the panel to the wall plate, and the panel should begin to power up. Secure the panel to the wall plate using the retaining screw. During the system startup sequence, you can confirm that the wireless takeover module is enabled. To enroll a legacy, one-way wireless device through the AlarmNet 360 app, select the account for this system. Scroll down and tap Configuration. Tap the plus symbol next to Sensors. This will take you to the Add Sensor screen. Tap Learn. For the purpose of this video, we will enroll a 5816 door or window sensor. Trip the legacy sensor by opening the door or window that the sensor is mounted to. You should see a response in the app that the sensor was detected. Tap Accept. You will be returned to the Edit Sensor screen. Scroll down and select Loop 2 for the magnet and reed switch on the 5816. The loop you will need to select will vary based on the device and configuration. Tap Device Type and use the menu to select the device type. Next, enter the description for this sensor. Once you confirm your edits, scroll down and tap Save. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled a legacy sensor using the wireless takeover module into your PROA7PLUS. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.